Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number 29250T. Now this Rubicon is firecracker red in color. It does have the three-piece Freedom body colored hardtop on it, which is awesome. Take two front tops off like in T-tops. Then the third piece comes right off the back there. Very versatile. Now the Rubicon comes with 33-inch tires from the factory. Of course, it's beefed up, trail rated. We've got the 17-inch aluminum wheels with the black painted pockets on it. Of course, you've got your Rubicon badging across the hood, and the hood of a Rubicon is just awesome. Really sets it off. An icon of the Rubicon are the red tow hooks. This one has the LED lighting group, fog lamps, rock rails, remote start, keyless entry, beautiful black leather interior with red Rubicon stitching in the back of the seat. Then you've got the red stitching throughout the seat. This does have heated seats, heated steering wheel, the slush mats, so it does have the cold weather group. You've got the Uconnect 4 system with a 7-inch display touchscreen. The Rubicon stands alone with the sway bar disconnect and the true axle lock. This is an 8-speed automatic transmission with a 3.6 liter Pentastar motor. The Uconnect system here has a hands-free telephone as well system, cruise control, power windows, locks, mirrors. Slush mats are really a great thing in a Wrangler for your off-roading, fishing, what have you. Going to the beach. Easy to clean that way. The second row here does fold forward for more cargo hauling. The roll bar does have the speakers mounted in it, and it's also body colored painted. So when you take these tops off, you got the body color roll bar. Really sweet look. There's a red tow hook again here in the back. Of course, you got a rear wiper. Lots of cargo space. This here is actually a case for your T-tops in the front there. The two pieces from the 3-piece Freedom hardtop. You do have a nice little cargo spot there. Some more storage, I should say. Rear backup camera now on all these Wranglers. Of course, your outside spare tire. Gorgeous Rubicon. You know, they're all push button start now. They've done a really good job with these. The new JL body is just awesome. I love the red accents in the dash. '20 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, firecracker red, 8-speed automatic with a 3.6 liter Pentastar motor here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.